times have you heard it's just harder to lose weight after 40 or after you've had a baby? Well, finally, many doctors started asking the question, well, why is that? Turns out a lot of it has to do with our hormones. Please welcome Teresa Finnessy and Ann Hewitt. Hi there. It used to be people would say, well, I think it's my hormones, and we go, yeah, right, it's your hormones, right. Well, actually, hormones do play a role, we now know, in terms of weight. Thing with me until I ran into you guys, and it was the depression, losing my hair, and I always had it was full of energy, and that went away. And then, of course, the weight gain. I had lost weight before, so I thought I could do that after I had my son, and it wasn't going away. And other people kept telling me, well, you had a baby, face it. Well, you're old, face it.
That's totally wrong.
One person actually said, you're old, okay,
No,
middle age, I was old.
That is totally wrong.
All right, okay, so we have a couple of patients here. Teresa, what was your situation?
You were describing me when you were talking about yourself. I just felt like I was thin most of my life. I was very active. Tried to watch what I ate and vitamin therapy and all that. But when I hit middle age, it was exactly what you said. I had never had a waist or anything, and it was just packed on. Exactly what you're saying. It was my hormones were just spiraling down, and anything I tried, it didn't work. And I was so depressed, and the more I tried, the worse it got. So I kept gaining weight. I kept feeling worse. I got to where I didn't even want to leave the house. I didn't want to do anything. And I had so much stress in my life that I just didn't see any way out of it.
Yeah, and then people keep telling you, well, you just got to exercise and eat right. You say, I do. And you're looking at you going, sure you do.
You're sneaking Twinkies in the closet.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not sneaking Twinkies.
And this is kind of a sign. One of the things, the questions you would ask is that, is this weight gain that's new? And you kind of correlate that with an age and what else is the other symptoms she mentioned. So what did you do to fix it? And you look fabulous right now.
Thank you. I met Dr. Anoop and Dr. Powell and Dasha at the Amaya Clinic. And they told me that it wasn't my fault, that my hormones were off, and if we balanced them, that I could go back to normal. Then I could have my own thought processes again instead of this garbage can I was living in.
Yeah.
So I did what they said, exactly what they said. And they really tweaked this for me. They took blood work and they checked all of my levels, and if I was on the low end of normal even, they were making sure that I had the exact right formula. If it wasn't right and it wasn't working, they would change it, and they would change it.
Right.
And the next thing I knew, I got on I kind of told them the HCG diet, and I started jogging. And in conjunction with these hormones, I lost 30 pounds.
Wow.
It just fell off. And you know what? I can eat what I want now.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about, if I have ice cream.
Because you're balanced, your body's going to burn those calories.
Yeah, now my body knows what to do about it. It's amazing.
Anne, what were you dealing with, and how did you address it?
You know, I was overweight, about 30 pounds, and a lot of stress. And I did the Zerona treatment, which is just absolutely fabulous. It's zero pain, zero surgery.
Wow, we're looking at
zero
just how
downtime.
your middle right there was much thicker.
Absolutely.
So if you stand up for us, and let us see.
I've lost over. Thank you.
And those are your pants?
Yes, these pants were tight on me in October.
Wow. You lost, 7 inches in the waist. All right, she said the Zerona treatment. Tell us what Zerona is.
Zerona, it's a low laser technology which actually stimulates your fat cell membranes, and your fat cells starts opening up, and the triglycerides leaks out from that.
It goes to your lymphatic system.
It goes to your lymphatics, and lymphatics suck it out, and then your body starts losing those inches from that area. And overall, surprisingly, she did not just lose inches, she lost many pounds out of that, because the effect is a cascading effect and keeps on stimulating the fat cells. So how many pounds did you lose?
27 so far, and I'm still losing.
Wow. Okay.
I'm still
6 sessions. In some people it needs more, sometimes 9, sometimes 12. But if you are looking for a quick fix, you can actually start doing something on the lifestyle management, like diet management or HCG diet.
So this can kind of get you kick-started.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, congratulations, ladies. You look fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. And if you call Amaya, the Amaya Clinic, this week and mention you saw them on Great Day, you'll get 50% off a Zerona weight loss package. It's half off the Zerona weight loss package. Their number is 713-772-7887, 713-772-7887, or find them on the web at amayaclinic.com. You can also text Amaya to 41411 for more special offers.